Welcome to Strasbourg, where Christmas magic fills every corner, and the spirit of the season shines as brightly as the stars above. Imagine stepping into a place where centuries-old traditions blend with fairy tale-like streets, and every light, wreath, and decoration captures the very heart of Christmas. Strasbourg, in the enchanting Alsace region of France, isn't just another Christmas destination. It's a place where the season comes to life in ways you have to see to believe. Located just by the German border, Strasbourg is the ultimate Christmas city, blending French and German influences into a perfect holiday symphony. It's as if each building, every alleyway, and each bustling square were designed just for the festive season. In Strasbourg, Christmas isn't just a season, it's a way of life. Each street, shop, and square is lovingly decorated, capturing the essence of what makes Christmas so beloved. From festive markets to the city's iconic Christmas tree, Strasbourg has everything that embodies the true spirit of Christmas. So, cozy up, pour yourself a warm drink, and let us show you why Strasbourg is the perfect Christmas getaway, promising to leave you with memories that sparkle for a lifetime. First stop, the famous Strasbourg Christmas Market, or Marché de Noël. No trip to Strasbourg during the holidays would be complete without visiting the famous Christmas Market, or Marché de Noël. This isn't just any Christmas market. It's one of Europe's oldest, dating all the way back to 1570. Imagine hundreds of charming wooden stalls, each brimming with handcrafted treasures, festive treats, and traditional decorations. Strasbourg's market spills into every square, and it's impossible not to feel the magic as you stroll from one vendor to the next. Here, you can find unique keepsakes and handmade ornaments to take home, a reminder of the incredible artisans who bring their crafts here from across the Alsace region. Whether it's delicate glass ornaments, wooden toys, or hand-poured candles, there's something for every holiday heart. And the aromas? Simply intoxicating. You'll catch the scent of roasting chestnuts, spiced breads, and the unmistakable warmth of vin chaud, or mulled wine. This festive drink, steeped in cinnamon, cloves, and citrus, is a must-try. It warms your hands and your soul as you wander. The market is open from late November through December, but arriving during the first weeks of December can give you the full experience with fewer crowds. The entire area is pedestrian-friendly, making it ideal for leisurely exploration. And don't forget to bring cash, as many small vendors don't accept credit cards. Next, let's make our way to Place Kleber, home to Strasbourg's breathtaking Christmas tree. This tree is no ordinary holiday decoration. It's one of the tallest in Europe, a symbol of Strasbourg's dedication to Christmas tradition. Standing at over 30 meters, it's adorned with thousands of twinkling lights and decorations that seem to sparkle even brighter as night falls. Families, friends, and couples gather around this iconic tree, taking photos, exchanging smiles, and simply soaking in the magic. In many ways, the tree is more than just a centerpiece. It's a place to share moments of joy, warmth, and wonder. Around the tree, you'll often find impromptu caroling and sometimes even local musicians bringing the holiday spirit to life with festive tunes. For the best photos, come just after sunset when the lights shine against the winter sky. The tree is typically illuminated in late November, kicking off the Christmas season with a lighting ceremony that draws in visitors from across Europe. As you stroll further, you'll reach the Petite France district, a place so magical it feels like stepping into a Christmas storybook. This is one of Strasbourg's most charming neighborhoods, with its half-timbered houses, cozy canals, and cobblestone streets winding along the river. Each house is decorated with lights, wreaths, and ornaments, creating a fairy tale ambiance that's impossible to resist. The beauty of Petite France lies in its authenticity. These homes and buildings date back to the Middle Ages, and every corner holds a story. At Christmas time, shopkeepers decorate their storefronts with meticulous care, creating displays that feel as warm and inviting as the season itself. As you walk through, you might hear the bells of a nearby church, or catch a street performer playing holiday classics. It's a scene straight out of a dream, and one you'll never forget. The best time to visit Petite France is in the early evening when the lights glow against the twilight sky. Take your time wandering, as every corner has something new to discover. Guided walking tours are also available, leading you through the history and traditions of Strasbourg. The story of Strasbourg and its Christmas markets is told with such detail that you can feel the legacy of centuries past. Strasbourg Cathedral, heart of the Christmas spirit. Towering above the city is the Strasbourg Cathedral, a majestic Gothic masterpiece that's been watching over the city for centuries. At Christmas, the cathedral becomes even more awe-inspiring, its sandstone spires illuminated by the festive lights of the markets below. The cathedral's stunning stained glass windows and grand architecture add a touch of reverence and majesty to the holiday season. Inside, holiday masses and choir concerts fill the cathedral with heavenly voices that seem to echo through the ancient stone walls. Imagine sitting in the candlelight, listening to the choir sing traditional carols. It's an experience that feels both humbling and heartwarming. Be sure to check the schedule for special Christmas services and concerts. Entry is free, but donations are always appreciated to help preserve this iconic landmark. The best views are from Rue Mercière, where the cathedral stands framed by Christmas lights. The Village of Sharing, a heartfelt tradition. In Strasbourg, Christmas is also about giving back. At the Village of Sharing in Place Kleber, you'll find booths representing charitable organizations from around the world. This unique feature of Strasbourg's holiday season reminds us all of the true spirit of Christmas: compassion, kindness, and generosity. Visitors can learn about each organization's mission, make donations, and even find small keepsakes made by artisans connected to these causes. It's a touching and unique part of the Strasbourg experience, where visitors have a chance to spread joy and goodwill far beyond the borders of this beautiful city. The Village of Sharing is open throughout the Christmas season, offering an opportunity for visitors to connect with various causes and give back during the holidays. It's located in Place Kleber, just beside the iconic Christmas tree. Nearby markets Colmar and other Alsace villages, Strasbourg may be the Christmas capital, but the entire Alsace region shares in the holiday spirit. Just a short train ride away is the town of Colmar, where you'll find a Christmas market that feels like a scene from a fairy tale. Colmar's canals, medieval architecture, and quaint charm create a setting that rivals even the most magical storybooks. Each Alsace village has its own unique market, adding to the charm of the region. Whether it's the medieval atmosphere of Eguisheim or the intimate stalls in Riquivier, the markets offer everything from mulled wine to handmade decorations. Each town feels like a little Christmas world of its own, a must-see if you're in Strasbourg during the holidays. It's easy to take a day trip from Strasbourg to these nearby towns. Trains and buses connect the villages, and guided tours are available if you prefer not to plan the logistics. Each market has different opening dates, so check the schedule to make the most of your visit. Festive activities and nightlife. In Strasbourg, the holiday fun doesn't end when the sun goes down. In the evening, the city comes alive with festive activities. Lace up your skates and head to one of the open-air rinks, where you can glide under the Christmas lights with friends and family. If you'd rather relax, many cafes and wine bars around the city center offer steaming cups of hot chocolate and mulled wine, the perfect way to warm up after a chilly day of exploring. For those who want to celebrate into the night, Strasbourg's nightlife offers festive pubs, holiday concerts, and even caroling sessions that fill the streets with cheer. Whether you're with family, friends, or a special someone, Strasbourg's evening scene is full of ways to keep the holiday spirit alive. Ice skating rinks typically stay open until late, making them a great post-dinner activity. Many local pubs also offer seasonal drinks and are known for hosting live music, especially around Christmas. Be sure to check the local event calendar, as special holiday performances are often scheduled throughout December. Strasbourg, Christmas lights, illuminations. De Noël. The sun sets over Strasbourg. The entire city comes alive with the magical illuminations de Noël, a breathtaking display of Christmas lights that transforms every street into a glowing wonderland. Each district has its own unique theme, creating an enchanting pathway of light that leads you through Strasbourg's holiday spirit. On Rue Mercière, golden arches and twinkling lights frame the majestic Strasbourg Cathedral, casting a warm glow that captures every intricate detail of this Gothic masterpiece. This is a picture-perfect spot that feels straight out of a fairy tale. Over at Place Broglie, a serene scene unfolds with soft blue lights, reflecting the calm and peaceful side of Christmas. Meanwhile, the Petite France district becomes a twinkling wonderland, with lights adorning its half-timbered houses, bridges, and canals. Wandering here feels like stepping back in time, surrounded by an intimate glow that captures the warmth of the season. For the best experience, stroll through the lights after dark and take your time exploring each unique scene, The lights are typically on until 11 p.m., so you have plenty of time to capture the magic of Strasbourg at night. Insider tips for visiting Strasbourg at Christmas. If you're dreaming of experiencing Strasbourg's magical Christmas season, here are some insider tips that will make your visit unforgettable. Let's dive into the details that can elevate your trip and help you make the most of every moment. 1. Timing is everything. The Strasbourg Christmas Market, or Marché de Noël, opens in late November and runs until December 24th. Visiting in early December can be ideal. While the market is fully open, you'll avoid the peak holiday crowds that start filling up mid-month. If you love the excitement of holiday gatherings, the week leading up to Christmas is especially festive, though accommodations can be pricier, so book early. Plan your arrival on a weekday if possible, as weekends draw larger crowds. Early evenings, just after sunset, are a magical time to visit, with the city aglow and the markets in full swing. 2. Dressing for the weather. Alsace winters are chilly, often dropping close to freezing, with a mix of rain, sleet, and sometimes snow, perfect for a holiday atmosphere. Dress warmly and in layers to stay comfortable while exploring the markets and enjoying outdoor activities. Don't forget warm gloves, a hat, and a cozy scarf, as the market strolls can get chilly, especially at night. Waterproof footwear with a good grip is also a wise choice, as some streets and squares can be a bit slippery in winter weather. 3. Book accommodations. Early Strasbourg's popularity as a Christmas destination means hotels fill up quickly. Aim to book your accommodation as early as possible, especially if you plan to stay in the city center, where you'll be close to all the festive action. If you prefer a quieter spot, consider staying in a nearby Alsatian village and taking a short train ride to Strasbourg for the day. For a unique and memorable experience, look for charming guest houses or chambres d'hôte in the Petite France district or the Old Town. Many of these places are decorated beautifully for Christmas and offer a cozy, home-style feel that adds to the holiday magic. 4. Getting around Strasbourg is very pedestrian-friendly, and the entire city center becomes a pedestrian-only zone during the Christmas market season. This makes it easy to stroll from one market to another without the worry of traffic. Public transportation is efficient and eco-friendly, with trams and buses making it easy to get around if you're exploring beyond the city center. Strasbourg has a Christmas pass that grants you unlimited access to public transport within the city for 24 or 72 hours. This is ideal if you're planning to visit nearby markets or want the freedom to explore every corner of the city without worrying about transport costs. 5. Currency and payments. While many large shops and restaurants accept credit cards, the smaller, traditional market stalls often prefer cash. It's a good idea to carry some euros for small purchases like mulled wine, street food, and crafts. ATMs are readily available around the city, but try to have cash on hand before visiting the markets to avoid the long lines at the ATMs near popular stalls. Having some change can also be helpful for donations at the village of sharing. 6. Plan your market route. Strasbourg's markets aren't all in one spot. There are several markets, each with a unique focus, spread across the city. The main market at Place Broglie is famous for its traditional crafts and decorations, while the Christkindlesmarkt is a must for holiday sweets and mulled wine. Place Kleber has the enormous Christmas tree, while Place de la Cathédrale near the Strasbourg Cathedral is known for artisanal gifts. Print out a map of the markets or save one on your phone so you can explore each location with ease. If you're short on time, start with the Place Broglie and the Cathedral Market, as they're often the most popular with visitors. 7. Sample local holiday treats. Don't leave Strasbourg without tasting some Alsatian Christmas delicacies. The markets are filled with tempting treats like bredel cookies, gingerbread, and manolé pastries, little brioche men traditionally baked for St. Nicholas Day. For those wanting to indulge in something warm, try a tarte flambée, similar to a thin crust pizza, or a hot bowl of choucroute garni, Alsatian sauerkraut. Try vin chaud, the hot spiced wine, and sample a pain d'épices, spiced gingerbread, from one of the many bakery stalls. Many vendors offer small portions for tasting, so you can savor a little bit of everything. 8. Attend a holiday concert or midnight mass. One of the most moving parts of the Strasbourg Christmas experience is the music that fills the air. From local choirs singing in the open air to concerts held in the Strasbourg Cathedral, there are plenty of opportunities to soak in the sounds of the season. Midnight Mass at the Cathedral on Christmas Eve is a cherished tradition, filling the majestic space with the beauty of carols and holiday hymns. Concert tickets sell out quickly, so if there's a performance you'd like to attend, book in advance. Even if you don't attend a formal event, you're sure to encounter talented street musicians around the markets. 9. Make day trips to nearby Christmas villages. While Strasbourg is the centerpiece of Christmas in Alsace, the entire region shines with holiday spirit. Consider taking a day trip to Colmar, just 30 minutes by train, where you'll find another breathtaking Christmas market that feels like stepping into a holiday postcard. Towns like Eggelsheim, Rickeweer, and Obernai are also stunning in their own right, with smaller markets that have an intimate village charm. Look for regional holiday passes that cover train travel between Strasbourg and neighboring towns. Guided tours from Strasbourg are also available and allow you to experience the best of each village's Christmas celebrations without the hassle of planning. 10. Slow down and savor the moment. Finally, the best tip of all. Take your time to soak it all in. Strasbourg's holiday magic is about more than just sights and sounds. It's a feeling of warmth, joy, and peace. As you wander the markets, enjoy each interaction with artisans, taste the holiday flavors, and savor the cozy ambiance that fills every corner of the city. Consider ending each day with a warm drink at a local cafe or a relaxed evening stroll along the city's illuminated streets. Strasbourg's beauty truly shines in these quieter, reflective moments, giving you memories you'll carry with you long after the holidays have passed. A Christmas memory to treasure forever. In Strasbourg, Christmas isn't just celebrated. It's lived, breathed, and cherished. Every market, every light, and every warm cup of mulled wine captures the true spirit of the season, filling hearts with wonder and joy. If you're dreaming of a Christmas that feels like stepping into a fairy tale, there's no better place than Strasbourg. So pack your bags, bring your holiday spirit, and get ready to be enchanted by the most beautiful Christmas city in the world. Strasbourg is waiting to welcome you with open arms and memories you'll treasure for a lifetime. Make this the year you experience the magic firsthand. Come discover the heart of Christmas in Strasbourg.